Hello, what's up guys? My name is Gazanfrali and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can migrate your WordPress website from one hosting to another hosting. Now we'll be going to use a WordPress plugin for this tutorial, and that plugin is called All-in-One WP Migration. If you are excited to learn, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to the dashboard of your WordPress website that you want to migrate. And then from here you will go to this plugins section. And from this plugin section you will click on this add new. Once you will click on this add new, in this search bar you will type all in one, and then it will start searching the plugin. This is the plugin that you need to install. I already have installed this plugin. You can see it here it is all-in-one WP migration. Once the plugin will get installed, you will click on this export to. Once you will click on export to, following options will appear. You can only choose this export to file. When you will click on this file, whole of your WordPress website will start getting compressed. It will take quite some time depending upon the size of your website and depending upon the number of plugins you have on your website and media files you have on your website and the number of pages you have on your website. So once the backup will create, it will be ready to start export. Now you can see the file is generated. Simply click on this file and it will start getting downloaded. In my case, I'll be using my third-party download manager, which is IDM. So I'll click on download with IDM and I'll click on this start download, and the file will start getting downloaded. Once it will start getting downloaded, I'll wait for it to get downloaded to my local computer. Once it will get downloaded, we will upload or import this file into a fresh WordPress installation. Now the file is downloaded. The next thing that I need to do is to go to the fresh WordPress installation. Now if I show you the front end of the website, you can see this is a completely a fresh WordPress installation. I have only changed the theme in this installation and I have installed this Hello Elementor theme. Now in here I'll again go to this plugins section, and from here I'll click on this add new, and from here I'll again search for all-in-one WP. I'll hit this install now button and we'll install this plugin on our WordPress installation, and then we'll activate this plugin. Once the plugin will get activated, the next thing that you need to do in this new fresh installation, you'll click on import instead of that export. So just click on this import. Once you will click on this import, this window will appear. Now you can see here I have maximum upload size of 1 GB and I'll import the file. This is here. I'll click on open and the file will start getting imported. So we'll wait for it to get uploaded on our server. Now the website file is uploaded successfully. The next thing that you need to do is to click on this proceed button. Once you will click on this proceed button, all of the files in that backup file will start getting imported onto your new server. Once they will get imported, you will be all set. So we'll wait for this file to get imported. Now you can see it is already imported and it says your site has been imported successfully. Simply click on this finish button, and now if I go to front end of my website and if I refresh this tab, then you will be able to see that our website is imported. Now there are some of the images of bigger sizes, that is why the image is loading like this, but it will get fine. Now you can see this is the imported website and this one is the original website. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.